This scooter might be a bomb. When it arrived in my apartment, it made a really weird sound. It made like a beep, beep, beep. And this really scared me out. Like, this scooter is an OOTD and it has these really cool specs. So I'm not gonna waste any more time because I'm afraid this is going to explode in my apartment. Let's get into the unboxing. And that's it. This is the SR1. It looks really small. This is the average charger.
It's identical.
We're talking about the Kukirin T3. And this is the T3 charger and this is the SR1 charger. Could you tell the difference?
Bro,
They're exactly the same. Stickers and...
QR code.
Oh! There is no more manual! 2 alien keys. Exactly the same like the T3. Raise the handlebar. Hey, looks really T3-ish.
You have literally 4 screws to screw. What the hell?
It's a whole entire engineering process. You have to have it in your blood.
By the way, did you see that when we want to go out with our scooters, it's gonna rain? Like the whole week. Rain. No way, we got a goal.
We got a goal?
Yep.
Turkish?
Yeah, Turkish goal.
Ah, the kebabs got a goal on us.
Yeah.
Oh. Are you done?
Almost.
Are you done?
Shut the f*** up.
Are you done?
Bro.
Are you done?
Okay, you do it.
I'm joking, please, man, please, man, please.
It's done.
It's done?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have 2 NFC cards, one for spare. Press this.
Do you remember when it was beeping?
Do you think it might
Drain the battery?
kaput?
Yeah.
We're gonna let it like 10 minutes and hopefully it will start.
Epic transition.
Anyways, let's see if this thing is gonna start up. Hopefully it's not gonna explode. That's it. Whoa, it looks really high-tech. Whoa.
God damn.
It looks better than the T3. We have white, yellow. Wait, it's flashing.
Wait, how does the signal work? Oh, okay. That's smart.
That's cool.
But it says model instead of mode.
That's an interesting pick, OOTD. The headlight is just a standard headlight, exactly like a T3 from Kukirin. OOTD says to deactivate the speed limiter, pinch the brake lever while turning the device on.
Oh, yeah, something happened.
Alright, then fully throttle 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Maximum speed under load after deactivating the limiter, 50 km per hour. Whoa! How did you turn it red? No way!
No way. That's
OOTD,
sick.
that's a really good feature. Whoa! Well, you got it. And it's 50 km per hour.
51.
I'm not gonna lie to you, they are pretty stiff. It's the next day. We're here with cute little black helmet.
Hello.
We're on our way to the rideout because John Wills is in our city. Also, I planted a Chinese flag on the OOTD.
Yes, of course.
First acceleration on the OOTD, and it's really powerful. Like, it has an instant acceleration. I didn't expect it to be that responsive. Can I? Come on. You have the L1, right? Fully accelerated, come on. That's it? Really hope your little white helmet is ready because Joy is with Mr. Clau and they are already waiting us at a big concrete arena. If you guys don't know what is the big concrete arena, it's just a big bowl of concrete. How much I miss to have a Chinese flag on my scooter. It looks weird in a way, but good in another way. What's up?
What's up?
Today it's a very special day because John is
Always says that.
into my
He always
city.
says that it's a special day. He is with the G4, he is modded G4. He put a lot of accessories into it. 24, 27, 31, 34, 40, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, we're going. I got up to 46 actually. It takes a while. It's a long road horse, you know?
Yeah.
It's not a diesel, it's a benzene one.
Benzene?
Yeah.
I guess.
Electrolytes. This modded G4 with those signals looks a little bit goofy. It looks like it has ears. Do I have a horn? I do have a horn.
Magical horn. On a scooter that goes 40.
It's not a good idea to have a bicycle horn on a scooter. The van is going on the bicycle lane. Yeah, gracias. For 3 months, I haven't seen green grass. But now, I'm fully surrounded by green grass. Today is a really goddamn good day to film. Grass on my left, grass on my right, concrete in front.
Yo! What's up,
yeah.
What's up?
And Mr. Clown and 20 other people. Hello, bro. What's this? That's gang gang.
What even is this?
It has a military print.
This Space Mars GTR.
I have this on my bicycle.
One is stronger than the one on your bicycle.
Gotta get the Chinese flag in picture, you know.
And like it's...
So you wanna race?
Okay, bro.
How many watts do you have?
13,440.
Just to charge that thing is the price of an electric car. 13 kilowatts, it goes 13,000?
It's pretty cheap, I'll say. I got a custom motor on the back. You see, I have street tires on the rear and off-road tires on the front.
Holy, this is a tank.
It's very heavy though.
How many kilos?
70.
He thinks he's gonna beat me because he has a faster scooter, but it's always about the driver. So pretty much everyone is racing. I've got the fastest scooter of all of them. He has the slowest one.
Yo, Clow, landscape. And we'll count to 3, right?
Alright. Oh, mine going wheeling. Yeah, yeah.
Did you win that?
Yeah, by far. I was in the last 3 people.
So like, if you wanna get on one wheel, it's actually pretty easy. It's pretty easy. So like, you just do this.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's it. Yeah.
First step I'm doing, I'm getting up the front wheel. Using my brake.
So you learn that front wheel up and back feet back. Oh, yeah, the brakes are not good.
I have a little gift for you because you are the best.
He's giving him a bracelet. I never got a bracelet. I didn't even get. What the hell? That is my bracelet.
Bro, for real? Yo, there's no way this guy gave me a bracelet.
It looks exactly like my bracelet. You know it.
Or something.
You know what else he doesn't have? Chinese flag.
That's the greatest feature. His scooter is like.
My plans for tonight.
Yeah.
He's asking you on a date.
Yeah. Whoa.
40 kilometers per hour. Oh, holy whoa. And I'm the last one.
Are you filming on YouTube right now?
Yes, you're gonna be on YouTube.
My wheel.
Nice. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi. That was a 4 Mississippi wheelie. We have like 5 Mississippi second wheelie.
Mafia's e-scooter.
Mafia e-scooter.
Go.
Throttle it. Go.
Watch this.
Wow. Okay, he's still holding it. Whoa. Yeah, hear that? It goes fast.
Mama is
My. Yo, yeah.
No way.
China friend.
No way.
Yeah.
No, I don't want. Huh?
Communist rideout.
No, it's a democratic rideout. We don't have a dictator yet. Come on, go. Holy shit, a lot of people. Thank you for guiding us, Big Joy on Wheels. Oh, we're occupying 3 lanes of traffic. This is horrendous. We need to be on 1 lane. Straight in front. 1 lane, possibly. I stopped a little bit to check if I was filming, and now I'm in the back of the pack. I'm in the back of the pack, really bad. No, yellow is for assurance. You can still pass on yellow. Yeah, everything just to not, just to catch back the ride out. Look at how many we are in the roundabout. Bro, that's not a good move. Oh, Joy is leading the pack right now. Alright, Joy, understood it. For me, this is a really chill ride out with the OOTD. I cannot hurry, pretty much. It's a scooter that's gonna bring you A to B in a considerable speed. Always love to go on the bridge. Oh yeah. What do you think about the ride out?
I don't know about the
Circulation rules? He has music. Oh, yeah, of course. The Temu final boss has music. He's flexing that scooter. What's up? Everyone heard you, bro. Weirdo. He switched the batteries and my internal storage ran out and we had to stop. Cute little black helmet is here with us and the ride out is 1 kilometer ahead, so we gotta go. And Clau, you asked where I have the scratch from my helmet from. You ready? Both hands on the handlebar right now. Feel it. You see?
Was like invisible.
It's like an invisible speed bump.
Exactly.
Easily, very easy to fall. Came all the way into the taxi station, in the ground like that. I slid over. 3000 horsepower. Holy. So we checked Cute Little White Helmet location on the phone. They are really far. We're gonna try to intersect with them.
Lost.
You're lost? Yes. I'm lost in Istanbul. Ooh, na, 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 na. Let me check the location, Clau, again. Oh, fuck. They're going really far. I thought they're gonna turn back. They're still going straight in front. They should be moving slower because they're in a ride out though.
We are on a good way. We should do bump.
Bump?
No.
Is it them?
Yes.
We finally found them! Hello!
Wow, finally! Where were you?
Yeah, we got a little bit lost on the way.
It's more powerful than...
Yeah, it's more powerful than the G2. I don't know if it's gonna be in top speed, but on acceleration it's clearly more faster. Try it. You see, it goes up to 56.
Can I try?
Bro, you know that I also want to try that.
You didn't try it.
I didn't.
You like it?
Yeah, but where is the...
Yeah, it likes it. Yeah, I know. Oh wait, everyone says, oh wait.
The speed is totally
G2 Max.
ass, but the power is this.
The power is good, but the speed is not that good. Still stiff, really.
I would give it like a 7 out of 10.
They've been filming TikToks for half an hour. They are clipping everything. How many TikToks did you film? He filmed like 10 TikToks.
Bro, we finally managed to record one. What do you mean?
Oh, yeah, almost. I'm on the OOTD. He's on the G2 Max. He has 60 kilograms. I have 71. Let's see who's faster. 3 honks. He got a little head start. Come on. Yeah, the G2 Max is definitely faster.
Now we can swap.
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Oh, come on. No. It's more about the weight.
Yes, but the acceleration is good.
But on top speed, the G2 Max gets it 100%. Security just told us to just f off pretty much. Enjoy is testing the Kabu Wolf King on off-road. Straight into the great grass of Jumbo. We're back on the street. No, 6-7. 47 kilometers on the OOTD! Clau, come on. Whoa. That was a big pothole. On the right, bro. Joy, throttle it. Go for it. Yeah, go. Wow. It's faster than the car. Wow, look at how many people there are. Holy. Look at how many kids know him. Yeah, bro. He's more popular with kids, you know. They're like a circle.
Yes! No way! I love you. I respect your work.
Thank you.
Yes, one photo, bro.
Travel agent.
Where you from, bro?
Romanian.
No, like city.
I love you, man.
Love you too, man.
Bro, photo.
This kind of double stamps, they're very stable. Impossible stable.
Yeah, bro, I know. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, they're insane. Why?
Straight in front. Oh, it's the big uphill. Let's see. The OOTD can do it. Come on, I have 15 kilometers per hour. 13. Yeah, you did it.
You made it up? No way.
The brakes are horrible. Whoop. What the hell is that?
I mean, the G-Space got like almost. The G-Space actually got like. Bro, what are you doing? Ching my Kabu.
No, bro, it's not scratching. Look.
Brother. Oh, it's not. Okay, I'm not braking. You can't push my Kabu. Here.
Oh, it's kind of sad. I cannot even push him.
What's this?
No way. Oh. Maybe yes. And I'm leading the ride out right now. I'm the first in the column.
Hello.
Oh, hello. I'm not gonna even comment. I don't have enough power. Well, how do you feel with the Chinese flag?
Very good.
Look at how many people there in the center.
Let's run over them.
You're gonna go into jail.
No, let's run over them.
Yo, dude, it's kind of crowded in there. I don't know.
Wow. Come on, Joy.
I always end up in the
People do recognize us a little bit.
No one else can do it. For
What the hell you mean, feel the rain on your...
messing up the lyrics. I keep messing up the lyrics.
Oh my god, this is a situation, yeah. The van kinda missed the circulation. The airplane! Look at that, the wizard! I don't know if you can see it. How much battery do you have left?
2 lines.
3 lines? 2? I have 2. Oh, the police! Yes. No, the police just didn't care. Is the police watching us? No way! Yes! I have to wave. He's guiding us to a little park named Ushin. Come on, over!
Yo, yeah.
What?
Be honest with me, dude. When are you gonna learn to get on one wheel?
I told Mr. Clow I'm gonna go to your city and have a 1 week training program with him. So this is the park. I think the park is kind of boring, my friend. We're going on a walk. Come on. We're taking a left turn. Okay. Nice. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah. Clow is still 100 times better than Joy. Food is ready. Wow. Okay. This bell sounds a little bit like Hector Salamanca's bell, like. I have it right on here, 31 kilometers.
What's going on?
We did 31 kilometers today. I don't have any more battery.
I think this is it.
I want to thank you guys so much for watching the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned. Please stay safe.
Being the end of the ride out, this is the last thing I'm gonna do.
Let's go to the sun. Let's go to the
Brand
sun.
new. In conclusion of this video, should you buy the OOTD SR1? China flag not included though. If you want a scooter that looks good, carries you from point A to point B in a bit of a style, it's not gonna be the fastest one, but it certainly looks really cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribed. See you the next time.
Okay, try harder, dude. No, I try.
Okay.
To go to the window. I'm not even on
Okay,
the
stop filming
scooter,
that.
bro.
Stop filming that.